and tiny little ears. Hippos make us giggle, they're oh so dear.
Does a leopard tiptoe slow? Not today, he's stealing the show. With a hop and a bop and a big leap spin, he's grooving wild with the jungle grin.
Stretch up high and wiggle slow. Bend your knees and touch your toes. Swing your neck from side to side. Feel the beat and move with pride. Stretch up.
Hippo, jump and grin. Sing the hippo song, let the fun begin.
Aram sam sam, aram sam sam, guli 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 ram sam sam, aram sam.